Hello, let's check how big is the iPhone 15. So here I am on the official Apple website, and here I have the base information. As you can see, it appears right here. Also, that's the display information. It's almost 6.1 inch. And let's see how it looks with the iPhone 15 Plus. So that's the comparison. That's how it looks in my hand. So I can easily reach, the bottom bar, and I can barely reach this upper bar to open the control center. I can reach the power button. So yeah, that's how this device looks. That's how it is. So yeah, hope you like it.